house. Read the door.
Hi, welcome home.
It's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Whose writing is that?
Winnie.
Welcome home, guys.
This is your new house. You bought a house for Christmas.
Trey, come back.
This is our house.
Oh, why? Why? What's wrong? This is our house. This is our house.
I want to stay at the house with y'all. Hey, you don't screaming.
You don't want to stay here? You want to go check it out? You know what this means? Yeah, we're two houses down from Ethan. And Colin. Grandma's house is down there. Trey,
Trey, come back.
come here.
No.